Reflex, photic sneeze. Reflex, photic sneeze, a disorder characterized by nearly uncontrollable paroxysms of sneezing provoked in a reflex fashion by the sudden exposure of a dark adapted subject to intensely bright light, usually to brilliant sunlight. The number of successive sneezes is usually 2 or 3, but can be up to about 40. The Achoo syndrome is also called the photic sneeze reflex or the helio-ophthalmic outburst syndrome. The syndrome is a frequent genetic trait. It is inherited in an autosomal dominant manner, affecting males and females alike, who have a 50:50 chance of passing the Achoo gene to each of their children who will have the disorder. Reflex, photic sneeze.